Hi guys, it's me Vivian and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. So in this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So stay tuned and follow this series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for, elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Docoms Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. So, today we'll be using our Remington Wet to Straight Pro Hair Iron. So, model natin today is si Zell. So, Zell, ang hair mo naman today is half low bun with curls. So, ready ka na ba? Let's start. So, guys, before we start, pakita ko lang yung features and settings ng ating Wet to Straight Pro. So, meron tayong on and off button, plus and minus one sign for temperature adjustment. And syempre, yung ating Wet to Straight. So, para ma-on siya, ang gagawin natin is ipe-press natin ng 3 seconds yung plus sign na button natin. Ayan. So, dapat mag-blue siya indicator na pwede nyo siyang gamitin kahit basa yung hair nyo. So, start na tayo. So, guys, section muna tayo ng hair. Then, gagawa lang tayo ng soft waves. So, pag gumawa tayo ng soft waves, dapat yung lapat ng hair iron sa hair is mabilisan lang. Ang tendency kasi, pag matagal yung hair iron sa buhok, nakakagawa tayo ng yung maliliit na curls. So, hindi na siya soft waves. So, para makagawa ng soft waves, ganito lang. Mabilis lang. Papadaanan lang sa hair. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang kabilis. By the way, guys, our Remington Wet to Straight Pro has exclusive venting system, quickly removing and evaporating excess water with every stroke and releasing it through the outer housing surrounding the plate. This dries your hair whilst you straighten. So guys, done na tayo mag-curl. So susuklayin ko lang siya para maging soft wave siya. So guys, kuha lang tayo ng Rio, then gagawa lang tayo ng low bun. So, nag-create lang ako ng low bun. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, so, meron tayong dalawang section ng hair, which is yung kinurl natin. So, ang gagawin ko is, twist ko lang. Then, iikot natin siya sa ating bun. Hanggang matakpan yung Rio. Lang tayo ulit ng Rio. Secure lang natin siya. Yan, polish lang natin yung mga baby hair. So guys, doon na tayo sa ating hairstyle. Proceed muna tayo sa makeup. So this is the final look of our half low bun with curls hairstyle. Thank you for watching.
O ang isang katulad